yesterday after her conversion process completed. The message that goes out to the world, especially to Islamist nations.
Megha ji, the point here is that, this lady is the daughter of the founding father of Indonesia. And if she has done research for 20 years. After 20 years of research and visiting all the Hindu temples and knowing about Sanatana, she decides finally to convert to Sanatana because the grandmother is a practicing Hindu. It is only in 60s to 70s the maximum convergence in the Java belt happened. I mean, I have visited, Indonesia numerous times, and I've been more than 5-7 times to Bali because of my work. So, the beauty of Indonesia is when you land in Indonesia, you will have a writing about Garuda. They say Garuda is the Vahan of Sri Vishnu. It is clearly written about who the Garuda is. You can have Ma Saraswati on the currency notes, your Lord Ganesha on the currency notes is clearly written. And let me tell you with all, conviction at my heart, the people in Indonesia, though it's the largest Muslim population country in the world, are much more secular than the people in Malaysia. In Indonesia, there's nothing called a Bhumiputra concept, which in Malaysia essentially means a Muslim Malaysian. He holds all the rights, all the companies have to be Bhumi. There is nothing like that in Indonesia. And I have seen even the intelligence chief and some of the top ranking officials have been from Hindu faith, even from the Christian faith. In fact, Indonesia was the epicenter of Shivism and Buddhism. Today, if you go back 20-30 years, the biggest Shivalingas, which has been excavated anywhere in the world, have happened in Indonesia. So it's only after the Islamic invasion that things turned around. So all the Indonesian Muslims are essentially converts of Hinduism to Islam. And now what this lady has done, she had shown the way. It is never too late to wake up, because after 20 years and having all the amenities in the world, you come from a very rich, very powerful, very influential political family. Now after your due diligence of 20 years, you have finally decided at the age of 70, this is the way, because in Sanatana, we worship all the elements. We talk from ecology to economy. I mean, this is what Ma Archana rightly said, Gharvapsi. I mean, this is the way. If it can happen in Indonesia, why it can't happen anywhere else in the world? That is the bigger question. If the most influential person of Indonesia can convert, I'm not even bringing, those Hollywood celebrities like Will Smith and others who have converted. So why it can't happen anywhere else in the world?
But let's keep the discussion with